traders, we're looking at gold monthly time frame. Let's do a quick top down. So we've got this critical level here on the monthly that this traded into. We'll mark that up and then we'll work our way down the time frames and look at this in depth. Let's just go to the weekly now. Okay, so we have a monthly key level that monthly and weekly work together. So that's a target, definitely a target. We'll go to a daily. All right, so this is heading north, and there's my target area. In fact, now we have two target areas. So let's just mark that as a daily, 1D. This one here is a monthly and a weekly. All right, so we understand what these levels are. And there's a couple of things about this that's important. First of all, we have these highs on the daily time frame that this is traded into. So this is a liquidity pool insofar as there are, liquidity. There are buy stops sitting up here that this is chewing into, and I would expect a reaction off that. All right, now we have this candle, daily candle, low, high, something like that would make a lot of sense to me. Let's just have a look at it on the 4H. Yeah, I mean, it's already pulled back into it, guys. Okay, so that's the pullback that, you know, I was just looking at then on the daily. We've had that. So I guess from here, my thing would be to go to a 1 hour, and I'm always looking at these price swings. So from this point of view, the next price swing point of interest is low, high, retrace. But depending where this candle here ends up, so look at this on Monday, and we could see it trade up. Then what we're going to be doing is looking at this entire move from this low to wherever it pulls up on Monday as the price swing that the trading range that we're interested in. And then we're going to be looking for a move back into equilibrium, 50% of this move, wherever that ends up on Monday. So the low to the high, it could be here, it could be higher, it could be lower, right? Just depending where it decides to rotate on Monday. So let's just go down to a 10-minute chart. All right, I'm looking for this to, wherever it happens, right, to break structure bearish and come back down into my point of interest between the 50 and the 61.8. Then I want to see at range, I want to see this move here, volatility, enticing buyers in. Stop losses go below, they get hit. We get displacement, a retrace, retest, break of market structure. And that would be my entry, well, potential entry, depending where this takes place. Now, here's the thing, right? We've got this swing. It could target this midpoint equilibrium. It could target that. It could also target this value area under here as a point of origin. So this could occur here. And it could also look for, if we mark this, this is super important, grab that. Under this level, we've got liquidity. So we'll just set that up as a potential target, liquidity here, all right? Okay, so this, it could rotate here, rotate as in it breaks structure bullish, right? It could rotate here, or it could pull down here and take out this liquidity. Wherever this does this, completes this move, I'm going to be looking for the break of structure and the retrace and entry long. So let's just place it here for now. Well, even there, that'll do. All right. And our opportunity then is when it pulls back and breaks structure. See, I don't want to be buying this price swing. 50% from the high down to the midpoint here is a premium. I want to be buying at a discount, so I need to see this pull back down into my discounted zone and then this price action to play out before I get involved. Now, there's ways that you can, jump into these opportunities, and that's something that I talk about a lot in other videos, but not on this video at the moment. Okay, but yeah, you can definitely set up a system where you are alerted when these opportunities, when these pullbacks start to rotate, and when everything lines up in terms of higher time frame confluence. So guys, that's the take on gold. I would love to hear your comments, so definitely leave a comment below. A thumbs up would be awesome, and a boost would be great. Whatever you can do would be fantastic. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.